Hello, BoosturBrain friends. Welcome to the third episode of our Montessori pre-reading activity series for little ones aged 2 years and above. Today we are diving into the world of picture formation cards. This activity is fantastic for encouraging creativity and fine motor skills as children use shapes to match and complete pictures. It's a fun game that helps young minds develop spatial awareness, hand-eye coordination, and artistic expression. Let's get ready for an exciting journey that will help those young minds think and grow. Take a look at these incredible picture formation cards. The best part? You can easily make them at home. If you prefer, you can find similar cards in stores, or you can purchase them directly from us by contacting BoosturBrain.sales@gmail.com. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Encourage your child to grab the picture formation cards and start matching. This activity lays the groundwork for developing spatial awareness and fine motor skills, crucial components of early childhood development. These cards introduce new concepts, enhance attention to detail, train visual memory, improve concentration, boost cognitive development, and build a sense of order. They also help children distinguish between things in everyday life, identify patterns, categorize objects by their characteristics, improve vocabulary, and develop thinking and problem-solving skills. But the fun doesn't stop there. Once you have mastered the matching activity, it's time for a memory-boosting game. Scatter all the matching cards face down in a grid formation and let the games begin. Players take turns flipping over 2 cards, aiming to find matching pairs. It's not just about luck. Encourage everyone to memorize the card placements to improve their chances. For an extra challenge, use a timer to keep the turns snappy and the excitement high. With every flip, match, and victory, you are boosting memory skills and concentration while having a blast. Thank you for joining me in this picture formation adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, follow me, and don't forget to subscribe for more BoosturBrain Montessori fun. Until next time, happy matching. Bye-bye.